Make a great choice today with the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.